Ever wondered how to turn the pursuit of optimal health, enlightenment, and empowerment from a distant dream into a tangible reality? Enter Health Star Fitness. A beacon in a world filled with chaos and uncertainty, Health Star Fitness offers a pathway to wellness that's paved with knowledge and experience meticulously gathered over decades. Health Star Fitness is more than just a name, it's a treasure trove of wisdom, a guiding light for those lost in the labyrinth of wellness. From the written word to the exploration of spirituality, Health Star Fitness leaves no stone unturned in its mission to empower each and every one of us. Take, for instance, their literary masterpiece, Fusion Unleashes Potential. A fusion of ancient wisdom and modern knowledge, this book reveals the secrets to realizing one's true capabilities. It's a testament to the depth and breadth of understanding that Health Star Fitness brings to the table. And their exploration doesn't stop at the tangible. Health Star Fitness transcends the boundaries of time and space, delving into spirituality from before and beyond. It's a journey into the unknown, a voyage that promises enlightenment and empowerment. Health Star Fitness is not content to rest on its laurels. Currently in the works is a groundbreaking new book, Unveiling the Deception. It's a work that promises to be controversial, challenging established norms and beliefs with its potent content. In the realm of nutrition, they've uncovered the treasures hidden in nature's pantry. Articles like Optimal Health and Unlocking the Powers of Lesser-Known Superfoods shine a light on these nutritional gems, making them accessible to all. But what truly sets Health Star Fitness apart is their unwavering commitment to inclusivity. Their declaration is bold and clear. We are here for everyone. We do not discriminate against any of God's creation, for we are all equal and all are worth being loved. It's a message of unity, a message of love. They don't just inform, they motivate and empower. Through sweat and smiles, they remind us that our potential is limitless. So join the journey, unlock your potential, bask in the radiance of optimal health, enlightenment, and empowerment. Health Star Fitness, where the path to a better you begins.